Hey there YouTube, Noah back here. Today we're making a video, kind of a little boring, but hey, y'all might find it interesting. Doing an oil change on the old Bobcat. So you got 392 hours, almost 393. The oil change is supposed to be done at 390. Oh, yeah, 390. Yeah, sorry. I had to think about that, but so we're just gonna go through and do the oil change. Since it's about 400 hours, the air filter stuff you're supposed to check on it. So I just went ahead and bought the whole tune-up kit. Got this at my local Welder supply. Basically, it comes with all your filters, spark plugs, and all that. So I'm gonna go ahead and change all that out just because can't hold. I think it was like $65 or something of that nature. I looked online and it's all about the same price, so I just picked it up there. But yeah, so we can go ahead and start by draining the oil. In case I didn't know, these doors come off. So the other day I took the door off, and now I'm just gonna come in here and I put a hose on it so it goes down to a drain pan. But you pop the little cap off, put the hose on, and then you spin it and then pull it out, and then that releases the oil like on a lawnmower. It's supposed to, at least. Take that cap off. Don't get a vacuum in there. Maybe.
Mm-hmm.
There you go. Put it drain into a pan. So oil finished draining. So I can make a big old mess over here. Some paper towels, but it's almost like watching paint dry. That should be fine for now. Let me go ahead and just tackle all that over there. So let's pull this filter off real quick. Probably should put some paper towels down. Oh wow. Oh yeah. I'm gonna go get some paper towels. Okay, so I finished draining the oil. Now let's pull this filter off. Alright. Oh, nice hot oil. Is that draining there? Yeah, looks good to me. Probably should keep that out so don't make a big old mess. Alright, we're gonna let that drain out for a minute. So let me grab the new filter. Alright, so this is, let me open up this kit. I already took the oil filter out, but basically come with all coil parts, 2 spark plugs, air filter, pre-filter, and a fuel filter. So I'm putting in some Pennzoil Platinum 1030. I think it's all full synthetic. So I spent, you can ask my wife, I spent like 20 minutes trying to figure out what oil to put in this thing at Walmart, but I ended up going with that. I think it'll be fine. I think it was what, like $6 a quart, so $5-6 a quart, something like that. So money well spent in my opinion. So here's the filter if you want the filter number. But you don't have to use coal. I just bought the kit and it came with it. Probably next time I should go with the wicks or something. But yeah, we're gonna take this and put the new filter on. But I always put a little oil on the I always put a little oil on the O-ring here. Don't really have to, but I always find it helps eat better. So just wipe that out, that way it matters. Just go ahead and screw this thing on. Alright, so that's done. We'll go ahead and get the oil in it so I don't forget. And then after that, I'm just going to change this fuel filter out right here, as well as the spark plugs, which I may not film that. I don't know if it's going to be that interesting. But anyway, that's what we're doing. Go ahead and get the oil in. Alright, so I already put one coat in. I'm just gonna put probably about a half a coat and see what, and check it. Says what to take a coat and a half. Should be fine. Alright, we'll start with that. Let me check the oil. We'll give it a minute to settle down. Now we check it. What am I doing? I'll take the air filter off. Oh, that wind. Sorry for the wind noise, people. It's like the cows in the background. There just is. They moon up a storm. That's good. Hard to tell. Look like way on that 4 line. I couldn't get out the one. I think that should be good. Put the top on this so we don't spill it all over the place. Put the cap back on, and yeah. Let's go ahead and change the air filter while we are up here. Air filters on these machines, I'll put it easier to open this top hatch. I know it's dirty, I need to clean it, but don't need that. And there's all these wing. So as you can, I'll show y'all once I get it out. I did have the top before when I got it. I just kind of went over everything, make sure nothing was wrong or stuff like that. Stay. So as you can see, that pre-filter was pretty dirty. So I don't think the actual filter was too bad. No, it's not bad at all. But we're just gonna go ahead and change both of them because we got 2 new ones. So. Don't appear to be an upside, so put that on. Go ahead and put that back on. This is a pre-filter. Actually, most of the time they take most of the abuse, not so much. And it just slips around it. This way it can be able to breathe. I need to check my filter on my big one. I replaced it when I bought it, but it was quite a while ago. I blew it out last time. Yes, I'm just blabbing, I'm sorry. Alright, so that's basically all to that. One thing we got left is let me put the top back on that. Everything looks good with that. You go this way or the other way? Guess that way works. Put the pedal back on. I need to clean this up. This is just nasty. Alright, so that's that. All we got left is really to change the spark plugs, but I don't think y'all want to watch me change spark plugs on a fuel filter. Heck, I don't even know if y'all want to watch me do this, but I'll bring you back. I gotta double check how to reset the fuel light. or the oil light. But that's basically all we got for now. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you very much. Alright, so now we're going to change the spark plugs out. It's just a 5/8 spark plug socket that I got on here. 5/8 will probably work by itself. Tell you what, the wind out here. We're in an open field almost. Well, I guess it is an open field. So the wind is what's terrible. Not too bad. So that's the old spark plug right there.
Oh.
Right there. It's not too bad. It looks about like it's supposed to be. Maybe a little bump, but not bad. All things considered. Get that started. And I already said in one of my videos that I wasn't gonna do the other show you all this, but I'll show you all one side. The other side is gonna be the same thing, just on the other side of the machine. So, we've got some pliers and we'll pull up the fuel filter and then we'll be done. You can stop it if you want. Alright, so now we're going to change out the fuel filter. I got the clamps off already. Hopefully we don't make a mess with this. Oh good, nothing came out. I probably should use new clamps. I'm gonna be lazy and not. And I do keep extra one of these in the truck, just a generic one in case for some reason I get bad fuel or gotta drain it or whatever, or get something in the tank. I can just swap it out quick. I'm probably gonna get another oil filter and probably get a couple quarts of oil throw behind the seat. Just because it's pretty cheap and you never know if you need it or something happens. Well, like for instance, you get fuel in your oil or something. I guess cheap insurance. Good thing is most of this stuff is just the same as like a lawnmower, these engines. So if you need to get a part for it, a little easier than say some of the bigger ones. But you can probably go to Lowe's and get. I probably go to Lowe's and get a filter. If not, the auto parts store could probably cross-reference one for me. So all this stuff is pretty readily available anyway. So I don't really know if it's necessary to keep a new filter on here. But I still might. We'll see if I think about it. Put the new clamps on. Why? Because it came with it. So make sure to do the right direction. There's one. Two. Just throw the clamps on and that's all we got. One. Just down a little bit more. Alrighty, so only thing I got left is the one more spark plug on the other side, but y'all see me do one, it's gonna be the same on the other side, so I don't really see a point in making y'all watch that. So anyway, that's basically a little bit of maintenance. I'll probably add in right after this once I double check is how to reset the oil light on it. But I'll probably add that in after, so don't worry about that. But if I don't, thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more, and I'll talk to y'all later. YouTube, so just to conclude, these are, focus, two things, not too bad. Both the same, so that's always good. Two spark plugs. And I just started it up, but if you come in here, see it's 100 hours now. 392.9. So to reset it, you want go from run to run idle to run. Go back and forth three times in 5 seconds, then it resets that. But yeah, in case y'all didn't know that, it's also up there. Gotta read a little bit. But yeah, basically all we got. Fire it up. I'd like to know when it leaks. I'm gonna keep an eye on it, keep an eye on the oil, make sure I don't add any. But yeah, basically what it is. Anyway, that's basically all we got. Let's get cleaned up and go from there. But thank y'all for watching.